Brantley Worley was a police officer working his shift. He was shot by the defendant. It's captured on, part of this is captured on body cam footage. For no cause, no reason, and with malice. We are opposing bond. We have done a little bit of research this morning. The defendant told you that he has no pending cases, not on bail from any jurisdictions. It appears that he has 2 open cases, one from Cartersville, Georgia, a battery charge from approximately January 25th of 2024, and a Clayton County charge that's open. It appears to be open right now. Criminal trespass and disorderly conduct from September 28th of 2024. You heard from the defendant himself that he has a residence here in Fannin County as well as a residence, it appears to be in Riverdale, which I believe is Clayton County. The defendant is at risk of fleeing. He fled on foot after this heinous act. It took approximately 19 hours for him to be located. So risk of fleeing, danger to the community. The defendant not only shot a police officer for no cause and with malice, but he fled and was on the run for hours and hours and hours as law enforcement officials were looking all over this tri-state area trying to find him, causing all kinds of issues. So he's at risk of fleeing as well. At risk of fleeing, danger to the community, and a risk of committing new felonies. It appears that he has 2 open cases already, and now an attempted murder has occurred of a police officer. He is a significant risk of committing new felonies and a risk of otherwise obstructing the administration of justice. Our view from the state, Your Honor, is that the defendant, any bond that the court would provide in this case, there are no assurances that the defendant will comply with it, especially after such a heinous act, and of course being out on 2 different cases and fleeing after the act occurred. Constantino v. Warren and A.L. v. State both deal with the word and, analyzing the word and that being in the conjunctive in this statute. The conjunctive meaning that the court, in order to release, the court shall be authorized to release only if each and every one of those are met. If the court finds that he is a risk, a significant risk of any of those that I just read off, then he is not a candidate for bond. We argue that he doesn't fit into any of those categories. He is not a candidate for bond. Ask the court to deny bond, bind this up to Superior Court. Let us do a bond hearing and let us hurry up and get this case indicted and prosecute this case. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Woods. Mr. Ramsey, you've heard what the DA proposed. It's the order of the court today that I will be denying your bond on the fact that you are a significant risk of fleeing the jurisdiction of the court, that you do have an address in another location. The accused also poses a significant risk of danger to any person or community or any property in this community. The accused poses a significant risk to commit a felony pending trial. The accused poses a significant risk of intimidating witnesses or otherwise obstructing justice or administration for trial. And that the accused had a charge that could also be construed by contempt criminal attempt that is not bondable by this court on OGC A 1761, which you will be denied under that charge also. Having that said, Mr. Ramsey, you will be denied bond today. You will have a chance to fill out that public defender application, get it back to my office, we'll review it. At such time, we'll move forward with everything that needs to be done for you. Anything else for the court today?
Yes, sir.
You understand everything that's went on here today?
Yes, sir.
Madam Clerk, if you get those orders drawn up, I'll have to have him sign those. Anything else for the court today?
No, sir.
We will make copies and give those to the DA's office. We'll also make copies and give to you, Mr. Ramsey. That way you'll have those things to go into your record.
Yes, sir.
For that, course is dismissed.
Thank you, Judge.
Some of the POs had to be in there, so I didn't know what it was, just like watch here. Right. I don't want to. And your part.
Yeah. Yep.
You saw what I.
I'm glad.
You ended up with
Yeah. If you want to, video agree, I'll figure this out.
It was probably one of my coworkers. Yeah, we'll probably just get you all together. Yeah.
Thank you for watching A&F Plus. For more breaking news, live coverage, and your community stories, download the Atlanta News First app. You can also watch us on YouTube, Roku, Apple TV, and Fire TV. To join the conversation on YouTube Live, visit our channel and hit subscribe. You can also listen to the Atlanta News First podcast by searching Atlanta News First on your preferred listening platform.